Come sing with me. Bob the train's here, let's start the spree. D-E-F, it's so much fun. Learning the letters, we're never done. G-H-I, and don't forget J. Baby shark's dancing, it's a brand new day. K-L-M, let's count to 10. Sing along with us again and again. The ABCs with Bob the train. Learning and singing will never refrain. Baby shark's here, it's so much fun. We'll sing these letters until we're done. N-O-P-N-Q-R-S. The ABCs are the best, no stress. T-U-V, now let's take a spin. With Baby Shark, let's dive right in. W, X, Y, and Z. Bob the train's waiting for you and me. Now we know the ABCs so well. Let's sing it loud, hear the story we tell. The ABCs with Bob the train. Learning and singing will never refrain. Baby Shark's here, it's so much fun. We'll sing these letters until we're done. Learning's a blast, so let's all move. From Baby Shark to Bob the train, sing the ABC.